Have you ever tried to flip a pancake and it landed somewhere unexpected? Well, let me tell you about a pancake flipping contest that went hilariously wrong. In the heart of the charming town of Maplewood, two best friends, Tommy and Lily, lived. Tommy, with his cheeky grin and love for pancakes, was always up to some playful mischief. On the other hand, Lily, with her sparkly eyes and inventive mind, had a knack for creating outlandishly entertaining gadgets. One bright and sunny Saturday morning, a brilliant idea popped into Tommy's head and he declared excitedly, "Lily, today we're going to have the most epic pancake flipping contest ever." Lily, with a wide grin that matched Tommy's enthusiasm, quickly retorted, "You're on, Tommy. But remember, I've been secretly practicing my pancake flipping skills." Tommy, with a playful chuckle, responded, "Secretly, huh? We'll see about that." The two friends hurriedly gathered all the necessary ingredients: flour, eggs, milk, and an abundance of toppings ranging from chocolate chips to whipped cream. Lily even brought along her latest invention, the Pancake Flip-O-Matic 3000. This was no ordinary contraption. It was designed to flip pancakes with just the push of a button. As they embarked on their pancake adventure, the kitchen transformed into a haven for pancake lovers. With batter splattering in every direction and laughter echoing through the air, it was a sight to behold. Tommy tried to flip his pancakes high into the air while Lily, with her Flip-O-Matic 3000, caused an uproarious spectacle. Pancakes were landing on the ceiling, sticking to the walls, and even landing on an unsuspecting Tommy. Tommy, now covered in pancake batter, couldn't help but exclaim, "Lily, your Flip-O-Matic 3000 is a disaster. I could flip pancakes better with my eyes closed." Lily, between fits of laughter, managed to say, "Oops, maybe I still need to work out a few kinks." As they began cooking, the kitchen quickly turned into a pancake paradise, with batter flying everywhere and laughter filling the air. Their pancake challenge was only just beginning, and already it was a day they would never forget. Tommy attempted to flip his pancakes high into the air while Lily tested out her Flip-O-Matic 3000 with hilarious results. The kitchen was transformed into a battlefield of batter where the weapons were spatulas and the ammunition was pancakes. Laughter echoed through the house as pancakes soared through the air, like UFOs on a mission to find the perfect landing spot. Tommy, the pancake warrior, was in his element, flipping pancakes with the skill of a seasoned chef. But despite his best efforts, his pancakes were more likely to stick to the ceiling or land splat on the floor than land neatly back in the pan. "This is harder than it looks," Tommy exclaimed, a pancake hanging comically from his hair. Meanwhile, Lily was having her own adventure with her Pancake Flip-O-Matic 3000. This contraption, designed to flip pancakes at the touch of a button, was creating more chaos than order. Pancakes were catapulted across the room, sticking to cupboards, the ceiling, and even Tommy's head. "Lily, your Flip-O-Matic 3000 is a disaster," Tommy cried out, trying to dodge the flying flapjacks. Lily, undeterred by the criticism, just laughed. "Oops, maybe I still need to work out a few kinks," she said, pressing another button on her invention. This time, instead of flipping the pancake, the machine shot a stream of whipped cream, covering Tommy from head to toe. The sight of Tommy looking like a snowman in the middle of summer had Lily in stitches. The pancake chaos was in full swing when another character entered the scene. Emily, Tommy's little sister, peeked into the kitchen, her eyes growing wide at the sight of the pancake pandemonium. "What's going on here? Can I join the pancake flipping fun?" she asked, a mischievous glint in her eyes. Tommy groaned, "Oh no, here comes trouble." But Lily, always up for more fun, welcomed Emily into the chaos. Just then, Tommy's mischievous little sister Emily entered the kitchen, drawn by the commotion. The pancake chaos was about to escalate to a whole new level. With Emily joining the contest, the kitchen turned into a whirlwind of pancake flipping madness. The air was thick with the scent of sweet batter and laughter echoed off the walls. Emily, the youngest but perhaps the most mischievous of them all, grabbed a pan and joined the fray. Like a tiny whirlwind, she spun around the kitchen, flipping pancakes with an energy that only a child could muster. Her pancakes flew the highest, sticking to the ceiling, the walls, and even the family dog. Tommy and Lily watched in awe as Emily giggled and twirled, her pancakes soaring through the air like fluffy golden frisbees. The once orderly kitchen was now a battlefield of batter and toppings. Chocolate chips were scattered like tiny landmines, whipped cream was sprayed like graffiti on the kitchen cabinets, and a syrupy river flowed across the tiled floor. Pancakes of all shapes and sizes were strewn about, some perfectly round, others looking more like abstract art. Amidst the chaos, Lily's Pancake Flip-O-Matic 3000 went rogue, shooting pancakes like a cannon. Tommy, covered head to toe in pancake batter, tried to dodge the flying breakfast food, but the more he dodged, the more pancakes seemed to find him. He looked like a modern art masterpiece, a living testament to their pancake flipping shenanigans. The laughter grew louder, the pancakes flew higher, and the madness spiraled out of control. It was a scene of pure, unadulterated joy and chaos. The kitchen had transformed into a pancake wonderland, a place where the rules of gravity seemed to have been tossed out the window, much like their pancakes. The madness continued, each flip more daring than the last, each laugh louder and more infectious. But as they say, all good things must come to an end. Just as the chaos reached its peak, Tommy's mom entered the kitchen, drawn by the ruckus. The pancake flip fiasco had reached its grand finale, but the story was far from over. The aftermath awaited, promising more laughter, more memories, and of course, more pancakes. Together, Tommy, Lily, Emily, and even Mom worked together to clean up the pancake aftermath, laughing and joking the whole time. The kitchen, once a battlefield of flying batter and toppings, slowly transformed back into its usual cozy self. But the aroma of pancakes still lingered in the air, a sweet reminder of the pancake flipping madness that had ensued. Broom in hand, Tommy tried to reach the pancakes stuck on the ceiling, his laughter echoing through the room. Lily, armed with a mop, tackled the sticky puddles of syrup on the floor, her giggles mixing with Tommy's. Emily, the youngest but not the least valiant, scooped up the scattered toppings, her eyes sparkling with mischief. And Mom? Well, she was in charge of the most important task, making sure the pancakes were edible. As they worked, they shared stories, each recalling their favorite moments from the contest. Tommy's failed attempt to flip a pancake with his eyes closed, Lily's Pancake Flip-O-Matic 3000 causing a pancake rainstorm, Emily's surprising pancake flipping prowess, and Mom's astonished face when she walked into the chaos. Every memory brought forth a new wave of laughter, turning the cleanup into another fun adventure. Finally, the kitchen was clean and the pancakes, albeit slightly misshapen and bearing the marks of their tumultuous journey, were ready to be devoured. They gathered around the table, their faces glowing with anticipation. And as they took their first bites, they discovered that the pancakes tasted even better after their flipping fiasco. Perhaps it was the added flavor of friendship and laughter, or maybe it was the satisfaction of enjoying the fruits of their chaotic labor. Either way, they were the best pancakes they had ever tasted. As they sat there full of pancakes and happiness, they made a pact. No matter how messy or chaotic things got, they would always face it together with laughter and pancakes. And from that day on, whenever they made pancakes together, they knew it would always be filled with laughter, friendship, and a little bit of chaos.